Now we are going to see the distinguishing characters of the family Liliaceae. From this Liliaceae family, we have seen the morphological and the floral characters. Here, distinguishing characters, the plants which bears the family Liliaceae, common important points which are enclosed within these all plants, they are such as the plants are perennial herb, undershrub or climbers. Here, the perennial herb, the plants which lives more than 1 year and lasted for many years, such plants they are known as perennial herb. Of the seasonal plants are classified into annual, biennial and perennial. The plants which lives for more than 1 year, they are known as the perennial. Herb plants, the plants which are, their stems is soft, delicate, there is no second growth and always green in color. Such plants they are known as the herb plants. Undershrub, the shrub, from the basal nodal region of the stem, it goes to many branches. They are known as a shrub. Their stem is hard, stony, forming secondary growth. But in these plants, under shrub means not herb, not shrub, means which are very small shrubs are there, and some species are the climbers whose stem is weak, requires the take support, that is a lip tendril is a form, that is known as climber. Climber comes under this Lurius or superba. The plants from this Liliaceae family, these are the underground bark. Majority of the plants, that is Allium cepa, Allium sativum, called, these plants bears the bulb. Means small bulbs. When we break the garlic or onion, we get break the bulbs. They are rhizome. Rhizome, it forms the aloe vera, that is the main stem which is underground, which is a short reduced rhizome, or some plants they having the aerial stems, that is in the air. In these majority of the plants are cauline or radical. That is a radial plumbing tubular leaves are present with the lip seed bases in the majority of the plant type. Here the flowers are in the form of the generally racemose inflorescence. Then flowers are bisexual, regular, that is been known as the actinomorphic, hypogynous, and trimerous. Means these four characters are found in all plants of the Liliaceae family. Bisexual means both sex organs, that is androecium and gynoecium is found in the all flowers. Actinomorphic, majority of the families, majority of the plants, the perianth is having the equal size and shape, therefore actinomorphic. The hypogynous flower, hypo means below, gynoecium means gynoecium. The perianth, androecium, arised from the below the gynoecium, known as the hypogynous, therefore ori superior. And the trimerous, tri means three, merous means in a multiple, that is perianth, androecium, gynoecium. They are found in a multiple of 3, 6, 9 as, that is known as the trimerous. Perianth, that is petaloid. Perianth is a colored one, calyx curl are absent. Therefore, they are known as perianth. Perianth, petaloid. Perianth is known as tepals. Therefore, tepals are 6 arranged in 2 holes. Perianth, petaloids, tepals are 6 Parent is known as tepal. Tepals are 6. They are arranged in 2 holes, that is 3 plus 3. Androecium. Generally, androeciums are stamens. They are known as 6. They are arranged in 2 holes along with this petal. They are connate at the base. Connate at the base. Therefore, they are joined to this heart. Gynoecium is tricarpellary. Carpels are 3. Syncarpus means 3 carpels, they are fixed to each other. Ovary superior means flower, that is a perianth androecium arises below the ovary. In the ovary that becomes superior, and presence of the axial placentation. Presence of the axial placents, and fruits are berry or it is capsule. Both are simple fruits. Here the berry fruit is a simple fleshy fruit. There is the many seeded fruit. Capsule is a simple dry dehiscent fruit. There is the many seeded fruit. These are the important distinguishing characters of the family lilies.